My dear students, be ready for your prose. What is prose? Perhaps you know. Prose is a loose study of mind. In form of literature, there is prose, poetry, short story, episode, play, and so many articles related to literature. In your 12th class first lesson, prose, A Girl with Basket, written by William C. Douglas. William C. Douglas was a judge of the Supreme Court of America. He came in India in 1950 to visit because he had fallen in love with India. And when he came in India, he saw so many strange scenes. Before coming to India, the writer William C. Douglas had heard about many qualities of Indian public and citizen. To certify what I heard, that is right or wrong, he came in India in 1950, and the writer is a great lover of downtrodden people. It means लेखक गरीब वर्ग के लोगों से बहुत प्रेम करता था, यह अत्यधिक रुचि रखता था. His writings are spread over vast canvas of social and political issues. He was very much concerned about the welfare of refugees all over the world. Refugee means शरणार्थी. Refugee means शरणार्थी. पूरे संसार में जहाँ भी गरीब लोग रहते थे उनके वेलफेयर यानी उनके भलाई के लिए हमेशा काम करते थे. विलियम सी डगलस ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट अमेरिका के रिटायर्ड जज थे. 1950 में भारत भ्रमण करने के लिए आए क्योंकि भारत के बारे में इन्होंने बहुत कुछ सुना था. अच्छाइयों को वह क्या है धरातल पर उसको देखने के लिए यह इंडिया में आए. अबाउट द लेसन. In this lesson, when the writer came in India, first of all he came in India in Delhi. From Delhi he went every part of India: Bareilly, Ranikhet, Himalaya, riverside, village side, forest area. It means you can say all parts of India he went to visit what is the real figure of India. And fortunately, when he was traveling in India by train, at a platform, when he got down, he was surrounded by a group of young refugee children. They were calling loudly in their voice. The writer was foreigner, American. He could not understand what they are saying. In the hands of refugee children, there were fans, baskets, and so many things for selling. It means all the refugee children, boys and girls, they were saying, please buy my baskets or fans and other things. The writer could not understand their voice, their language, but he felt their desire. So he bought some fans and basket. After this, he was unable to buy other basket, but when he went forward, जैसे वह आगे गया, a very pitiful girl of 9, a refugee girl of 9, she came in front of the writer. Her age was 9 years. She was too poor. She was uneducated. She did not know what is grammar and manner, but she was requesting very deeply. In her tone there was mercy Anybody can hear and be sorrowful to see or to hear the language of the girl. The writer has problems because he had bought so many baskets and fans. Now he has no any place to put other basket. And when the girl came in front of the writer, she requested, she pleaded, वह गिड़गिड़ाती है, आग्रह करती है, निवेदन करती है, प्लीज buy it, please buy it, please buy it again and again. But writer had problems to buy. Without buying basket, for mercy, for charity, for compassion, the writer deposited a handful of change in her basket and went forward. दया के रूप में, सहानुभूति के रूप में लेखक अपने कोट के जेब से मुट्ठी भर खुदरा निकाल कर उसकी टोकरी में डिपॉजिट कर दिया और आगे चला गया. आफ्टर दिस that Indian girl did not like it because she have no interest about the money. The writer did not buy basket. Without buying the basket, he gave me money as a charity. It is not good for an Indian girl. She was proudy while she was poor. In spite of this, she was proudy. She has importance of her life. And without any thinking, she went in front of the writer, stopped there with graciousness. She was a girl, but as a lady, she refused the money which was given by the writer. But the writer could not understand what is the reason. I gave her as charity, as mercy, as sympathy, and she is returning. What is the reason? In other hand, there were tears in her eyes. उसके आंखों में आंसू थी. She was poor. She was dirty. Her condition was very bad. फिर भी स्वाभिमानी लड़की थी, भारतीय थी. वह दया के रूप में स्वीकार नहीं करना चाहती थी, इसलिए वह रुपए को वापस कर देती है. राइटर कुछ समझ नहीं सका कारण क्या है. फिर भी फॉर ए व्हाइल द राइटर थॉट दैट व्हाट ऑफेंस, व्हाट मिस्टेक आई डिड. आफ्टर दिस द राइटर began to think and understand that the girl is Indian. She had proud of life. So, without any interest, the writer had to buy the basket for the happiness of the girl. And when the writer bought the basket, she became happy. She wiped her tears and went to her hut. लेखक टोकरी खरीद लेता है, वह खुश हो जाती है, अपने आंसुओं को पोंछ लेती है और अपने वह झोपड़ी की ओर चली जाती है. इट इज़ द मेन स्टोरी ऑफ द लेसन ए गर्ल विथ ए बास्केट, रिटन बाय विलियम सी डगलस. थैंक यू.